Fitch Ratings has joined us with his stake. Nitin, does this punishment look more imminent now, or do you think that this would be litigated? How would you approach the stocks?
Yeah, thanks for having me on the show, Lata. I think this is something which I would think could be litigated in the medium term, and I think the incumbents won't agree to the fact that they haven't provided proper interconnect points to Reliance Jio. So most likely will get litigated. Even if the penalties are imposed, it's not something which is going to affect their credit profile for the incumbents.
Oh, okay. Well, credit profile that you say, let me therefore bring up the Reliance Communications issue as well. It's gotten downgraded by several rating agencies, one after the other. Do you think there is more in store? Everyone is still at BB.
Now, we actually downgraded Reliance Communication at B+, with a rate watch negative in December.
Yes, 2016.
Yeah. So, and we believe that, the company's proposed transaction of selling off their tower stake and merging the wireless operations with Aircel is credit negative. In terms of their debt to EBITDA, they are not going to deleverage the balance sheet, even if these transactions are complete and they use that money to repay debt. And the leftover entity is primarily enterprise business and the fiber business.
The undersea cable business, we believe that is ring-fenced, is not likely to upstream any cash flow to service the debt at Reliance Communication. So fiber and enterprise essentially are a weaker business risk profile businesses compared to the earlier wireless business. So we do have a rating watch negative on them, and I think if the transaction goes through, the bondholders approve the transaction, and the liquidity continue to be under some stress, we could downgrade further by a notch on Reliance Communication to B flat.
Okay. All right, Nitin, thank you for giving us your quick thoughts on the telecom sector. And